In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Mail, a powerful and user-friendly email service that's perfect for both personal and professional communication. To get started, first navigate to your Zoho Mail homepage. This is your main hub where you'll access all the features and functionalities that Zoho Mail has to offer. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be intuitive, so whether you're a seasoned email user or just starting out, you'll find it easy to navigate. Next, let's focus on the Folders section. Click on Folders to explore this area, which is crucial for organizing your emails. Here, you'll find all your essential mail categories like Inbox, Drafts, Templates, Snoozed, Sent, Spam, Trash, and Outbox. Each folder serves its own purpose, helping you manage your emails efficiently. For instance, if you're looking for an email you've started but haven't sent, check the Drafts folder. Similarly, if you're trying to recover a deleted email, the Trash folder is where you'll find it. Now, let's move on to the Views option. By clicking on Views, you can customize how you see your emails. This feature is particularly useful if you want to filter messages, such as seeing only flagged emails or accessing all archived messages. Adjusting your view settings can help you streamline your workflow and ensure you're focusing on the most important emails at any given time. On the left sidebar, you'll notice a variety of additional options, including Calendar, To-Do, Notes, Contacts, and Bookmarks. These tools are integrated into Zoho Mail to enhance your productivity. For example, you can schedule meetings directly from the calendar or keep track of tasks with the to-do list. If you often take notes during email exchanges, the Notes feature will come in handy. And, of course, the Contacts section helps you manage and access your email addresses with ease. Zoho Mail is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners and efficient for more experienced users. The interface is clean, and everything you need is just a click away, ensuring you can find what you're looking for without any hassle. Whether you're organizing your inbox, setting up a meeting, or jotting down important notes, Zoho Mail has streamlined processes to make your email experience seamless. I hope this guide has helped you get acquainted with Zoho Mail and its various features. With its intuitive design and array of tools, managing your emails has never been easier. Now, go ahead and explore all that Zoho Mail has to offer. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!